In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually install and use OpenAI Codex CLI on Windows. Go to the browser and go for the platform.openai.com, and here you have to sign up. So click here sign up with the Google account. So you have successfully signed up, right? The second thing is you need to actually install Node.js in your PC. So just go with the Node.js, download Node.js and install it. So I already have this, so I'm not going to download it once again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you the version, and if you type here cmd and open cmd, and if you type node-v, you will find the Node.js version. Now go for the codex, hit enter, click here codex, and here you can see get started, and here we have the command. So just click here in the command, and now open cmd, paste it here, hit enter. Here you can see added one package in 1M. Now we'll actually go back to the OpenAI platform.openai.com, and here we will actually create API. We have API reference here, so click here API reference, and here we have start building, so we click here start building, and here organization name, so we have to give a name. I will make my team letter. Now here we will say test Yamin API key. So here you can see this is the API key. Now we have to actually copy this, and we have to open Notepad to actually save it, okay? Because if we lost it once, we cannot actually recover it. We have to actually delete it, okay? Now we have to go for the env. It means environment variable. Here you can see, if you type here env, you will find this. Edit the system environment variable, open it. Click here in environment variables, click here path under system variables, and click here edit. Now click here new, and now here we'll actually give a variable path name. Click here new, say here OpenAI underscore API underscore key. So it will be our variable name. We're going to paste the key here. Instead of this colon, we have to use equal sign. After that, hit enter. Now press OK, then OK, then OK. Now we'll open the CMD once again, and here we'll say codex. And now we'll actually go with the Google account. You may close this page now, so we'll remove this page and go back to the CMD. So basically we have signed in with the ChatGPT account. We'll actually hit enter, and we'll find this try new model. So we'll hit enter once again. Let's just go with the init. So here you can see I have to actually use ChatGPT Plus. I have to upgrade my plan from free to ChatGPT Plus. So actually I cannot show you more than this. But when you have ChatGPT Plus, you can actually go with this. And after that, you just have to actually give the command that what you actually want. Let's say you want to create a website. There's a blog website. So you just have to actually give a prompt that I want to create, can you generate a blog website for me? So if you are using HTML, CSS, and then JavaScript or any other language, you can actually mention the language, and then it will actually create all the file for you, okay? So that's it guys. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.